everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Suzuki just dropped something massive into the off-road world. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 brings big bore power to the dirt with serious intent. If you thought the days of insane open-class machines were over, think again. Let's break down this beast. Design. The RM-Z 1050 looks every bit as aggressive as it performs. Bold yellow plastics with black accents create that unmistakable Suzuki identity, while the angular bodywork channels air efficiently around the rider. The oversized radiators hint at the heat this engine produces. Ergonomics are tailored for larger riders, with the roomy cockpit and ample space to move. The robust aluminum frame and swing arm are built to handle serious power, and every component looks ready for abuse. Performance. Under the plastics sits a massive 1050cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces absolutely brutal power. This isn't a bike for beginners. The torque hits like a freight train, delivering wheelie-inducing acceleration that demands respect. Updated Showa suspension with adjustable compression and rebound handles the big bike's weight while soaking up nasty terrain. The 6-speed transmission keeps you in the power band, and the slipper clutch tames some of that monster torque on downshifts. Top-end speed is seriously impressive for a dirt bike. Features and technology. Suzuki hasn't skimmed on features for this flagship machine. Launch control helps manage that explosive power off the line, while selectable engine maps let you dial in aggression levels. The digital instrument cluster provides essential info at a glance. Heavy-duty brakes front and rear give serious stopping power to match the acceleration. Electric start fires up reliably, and the sealed air filtration system keeps that big motor breathing clean even in dusty conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 proves Suzuki still knows how to build serious off-road machinery. It's raw, powerful, and absolutely thrilling for experienced riders. Is bigger always better in the dirt? Let us know your take in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share with your riding friends, and subscribe for more content. Stay wild out there.